In this video, I am going to tell you how you can install and use Windows Packages Manager on Windows 10 and Windows 11. So first of all, you need to open this link, App Installer by Microsoft Corporation, and you need to open this link in Microsoft Store in your PC. You can see open Microsoft Store. I will share you this link in the description of this video as well, so you can check out the link. In the description of this video. After that, I have already installed it, so it is asking me to update. In Windows 11 it is pre-installed. If it is asking for update, so update it. In Windows 10 you have to install it, so I will just update it now. So after updating it, you need to open command prompt in your system, and you need to right click over here and click on run as administrator. So after opening command prompt, you need to type this command winget version. So I will share you this command in the video description as well. So just press this, and now you can see this is the version of my winget, and now I will enter the commands to use it. So you need to enter this command to search the app name. You need to change this app name. Winget search, so you need to enter the app name. So I am just writing Power Toys app name and just pressing on enter. So it is showing me Microsoft is toys. The version is available. So I will enter the version. I have to install this app now, so I'll just show you. So to install this app, I need to enter this command winget install app id. So I need to remove this app id and need to enter this Microsoft.PowerToys. After that, simply press on enter. So it will install this application for me. It is very easy to install it using this command. You can change this command for other apps as well. So it is very easy. So you can see now it is downloading. So you can see 4 MB is downloaded, all 230 MB is there. So it is now downloading. So similarly, there are some command to uninstall an app, or you can see all apps installed in your system. So there are so many commands which you can search, and I will also share you some commands in the video description. So you can check out the video description as well to find the links and commands to use this feature. I hope friends now you will be able to do it. If you still face any problem, you can comment below and I will definitely give you reply. If you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button, also subscribe my channel for my upcoming videos.